What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my first PK commentary, live PK commentary. Also, this is a PK commentary slash a Bekriminal Bolts review. So many people have been telling me these bolts are not good. They're really expensive for what people have been saying about them. A good thing about these though, this is actually it's pretty cool. You can do a headshot, torso, or legs. I know that the legs drain. Oh yeah, it actually says it. It says chance to drain enemy slash freeze them in a target in PvP. And this one is chance to reduce magic slash casting speed in PvP. And this one is chance to inflict bleeding damage in PvP. I'm obviously going to be using the torso shot unless I fight a mage. But I heard these bolts are not good, but I want to test them and I wanted to show you guys if they're good or not. I'm 99 range, I'm a range tank, I'm 99 range, so these bolts will be most effective with my use. I'm tanking and tankier with shitty legs and tight shield. But this is going to be a PK commentary too, so I'm going to be talking. So the whole time I'll be talking and mostly going over RuneScape stuff related and these bolts. So first off, we're going to go into the wilderness and see if we can get a fight. Let me set my quick prayer. We're going to do this. And every time I go out in the wilderness, I know all these declaw rushers, and they actually hit pretty good on me. So even though I have 90 defense, they still hit pretty good. But I'll be back when I get a fight, so the video is not so long and boring. Alright, YouTube, I'm back with a fight, and a skeleton just PJ'd me. Come up a little bit more. I'm going to be using the dart bow for a special. More than you. These bolts actually are hitting pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. About to use my dark bow special. Not too shabby. Oh, not too bad. I don't know why people are discarding these. These things actually hit pretty accurately. Let's see if this headshot thing does anything better. Or I could just lag. Oh, good fight. Sit down. Good fight. So yeah, these bolts are not bad at all. They're actually pretty damn good. And no. But I'll be back with another fight. Alright, we're back with another fight. Okay. That's good. Okay, don't get skull. Alright, he's gonna get a skull and then he'll be back, he said. So grab that skull and let's go. Come on, get off. Alright, good luck. Alright, now we're back with a fight. Good luck. My bolts are hitting pretty damn good. I don't know why everybody dislikes these things so much. Oh man. Yeah, I don't know why everybody dislikes these things. These things destroy. Good fight. Sit down. Alright, be back. Alright, this kid's running around polyporing, and I think it's Dick. And this kid just attacked me, so, yeah, we're going with him. No smite. Okay. Good luck. Come on, range. Get some hits in here. I'm using these, Bekriminal Bolts still. Only got 6 left though. They degrade after every shot, which is kind of bad, but I can deal with it. Damn it, I can never get a nice hit with the second one. Oh. Come on, bolts, get a hit. Come on, bolts. Come on now. I have to prod my Bebo. Oh shit. Ha! Oh yeah, might as well just Devo prod him. No safe. Come on now. I don't know why this kid's safing. I'm out of bolts. I should have brought more. It lasted me 3 fights. Come on, sit down. Oh, that should be the perfect time to spec. Owning me. Oh, why the hell do you have that? Oh my god, I forgot I had a spec ready. Well, this is a horrible fight going both ways. Well, I'm destroying him, but basically this fight's so slow. Come on, why can't you ever hit? Because I have 90 defense doesn't mean anything. There you go. I feel like I'm famous. Everybody's like surrounding us. I like it. I like feeling famous. The hell are you doing, kid? What the fuck are you doing? Let's go, random kid. You're getting smited. You're gonna get smited. Sit down. BRB. You're back. Alright, whatever. Shh. You better be scolding. Wow, you're garbage. Wow, this kid's just fucking straight garbage. GTFO. Why do you have a bunyip? Okay. That's cool. Alright, whatever. Alright. Let's see, open my money tab because it's so legit. So lit. L337. Yup. I'm lagging because I'm bidding. Whoa. Shoes. It's okay, question mark. Well, that's good, because I wasn't really going to care if it was okay or not. Wow, his bunny's actually healing him? The fuck? Stop safing. You're 8 levels higher. Get out of here, you garbage kid. Why is this kid saying every day I'm shuffling? Whatever, kid, you're garbage. You fucking attacking level 99. Every day I'm shuffling. Boom, 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 boom. Whatever, kid. Just fucking sit down. Please. I don't feel like dying. I'm not even safing. Come on. I have low HP. You're probably looking 99. Every day I'm shuffling. Boom, 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 boom. Kid, stop crying. Look what's 82. Ah. Go, D-Bolt, go. Cast the bench. Oh my god, I don't have... Oh shit. LOL, you're bad. You're bad. Wow. Okay, I'll be back with another fight. No, actually, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching my PK commentary. What, Gone. Whatever your name is, whatever. Thanks for watching PK commentary. Please give it a thumbs up so I can get around YouTube a little bit more. Every like counts. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and have a great day.